Today is a rather unusual task. I have to take the tires off to throw some BBs inside, hoping that will self-balance through time as gravel gets in the tread. Don't have to worry about, because I've already had a couple wheel weights fall off and just started dealing with constantly getting balanced, so let's hope that's the better solution. After much slipping on the tire dressing, which I kind of feared about, finally got the leverage in, broke the bead, and time to put in some BBs. I'm going to put about 4.5 ounces.